Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant city of Plymouth with the ultimate student accommodation, Central Point. Located on Royal Parade, this place has everything you need to make your stay unforgettable. Choose from a range of studios, en-suites, and two-bedroom apartments that will make you feel right at home. With cushy double beds and study desks, you can focus on your studies without sacrificing comfort. And let's not forget about the sunny windows that will brighten up your day and keep you feeling positive. Stay organized with spacious wardrobes and storage units, and when you need to chill, there's no better place than the common area or games room. Perfect for lazy afternoons with friends. Central Point is just a short 10-minute walk away from Plymouth College of Arts and the University of Plymouth. So, you'll never be far from the action. And for all the foodies out there, the delicious Greek meatballs served with chips and desserts at Lantern's Restaurant is just a 4-minute rush away. Late-night movie marathons? No problem. Grab some random goodies from the nearby Tesco Express and settle in for a cozy night-in. This place is guaranteed to bring fun, so don't miss out. Book your spot at Central Point through amberstudent.com and get ready to experience Plymouth like never before.